4,000,000. 40,000 subscribers. Can I believe it? Can you believe it? I did not believe the number that I saw popping up on my screen. It has been a roller coaster. I never intended to make this a long-term project. I just wanted to pop a few videos online about 3 years ago. And I just wanted to show a couple of people this is how I do bonsai. Now I'm not really sure what I should put in this video. I've just been doing bonsai, I've just been creating nice trees, I've been trying to share what I know with you, and let's see whether people like it. And in fact, you do seem to like it. Now as a thank you, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give away this little juniper. This is a cutting. It is one of the cuttings that featured in an earlier video, that one. Or actually I should say that one. And it has now rooted reasonably well. It is stable in the pot. You can see it's a twin trunk. There's a nice solid base here in the middle. Slanted as in a wind styled tree. Yeah, this can be yours. And I'll let you know later in the video how it can be yours. So in this video I'm just going to give you an overview of a few of the projects that are coming up. Very soon I will be publishing a video of Xavier, me and Peter Chen walking Heron's bonsai nursery. And Peter talking about the trees that are there, how he started off and growing them. Yes, this is a different video than the one that just came out with Peter and Xavier talking about bonsai. And the next video that I am very soon going to show you is one where I am repotting, a fall repotting of a Japanese maple and a trident maple. Let me get those plants for you. Will you believe that yesterday I cut off 80% of the roots of these two maples, and here they are, happy as can be. They are just continuing growing. They're doing quite well. So that is fall repotting of maples. A video coming up, I think still this week. Also this fall coming up is how I took this Arakawa maple cutting. And this is actually cutting of this tree. And this tree I completely reworked last winter. These branches have all grown this year. A big scar that I created has closed. And I grafted one of the branches here onto a root. I'm not sure whether it has taken yet, so I'm not going to separate it this winter. But this winter I'll show you the video on how I reworked the tree. And I'll also publish one video on winter cuttings of Arakawa maple. I think this tree is proof that you can take winter cuttings of Arakawa maples and be successful. This is now completely rooted. It has been repotted once this year. And look at that, it's nice and growing. This is just from over fertilizing. Now actually it's a fungal infection, but nothing to worry about. The plant is healthy. Roots are coming out of the pot. This is going to be a subscriber giveaway. So if you have not subscribed yet, you will have to pop that subscribe button down low. I also like it if you like this video and leave a comment, or leave a comment on one of my other videos. Would help my channel to grow, be shown to more people, and that of course increases the number of subscribers. Now back to what else is on the pipeline. This one is going to be one for the patients. This was an acorn which I planted 3 years ago. I've cut the main root, I've replanted it, I've wired it, I've pruned it, I've replanted it. This is going to be another 3 or 4 years before it will come out in a video. And then I'll show you a 5-year process of an acorn to a young bonsai. Now last year, this tree was that size. One of the videos coming up this winter is how this grew from a tiny little cutting to this plant in the course of 1 season. So maybe you can follow it and also get your jade, your Portulacaria afra, to grow out like this. They really can grow fast under the right conditions. Do you know which mistakes people make when they propagate for bonsai? And why that mistake actually means that self-propagation doesn't make sense at all? You have to do 2 main things in the first year when you are propagating for bonsai. That's another video coming up this winter. Next to that, I'll be doing a video on bonsai tools. I will be showing you a rewiring of an olive. And the olive already has a video on my channel. But that is for later. Let's go back to this little giveaway tree. If you would like to have this tree, I'm going to pay for shipping, don't worry. What I need you to do, you are of course subscribed, that I mentioned already before. Pop a comment down below and let me know in 2-3 lines why you think you should get this maple. Why you should get this elm. Then I'm going to take all the comments. In the next video, the award video, I will go through all the comments, some of them. I've seen in the past this can be 100 or more comments, and I might team up with somebody and ask somebody else to pick out the winning comment for me. That person will get this tree. Shipping can unfortunately only happen within the European Union with open borders. I'm not going to do phytosanitary certificates or whatnot, so if you are not in that trade union, I'm very sorry, but I can't let you participate. You can still leave a comment how disappointed you are that I can't help you, but yay, that's the way the world works. I can't just openly send out plants to anybody outside of the trade union. Right, what else do you need to do? I'll get to that in a second. But first, this one. This is a flowering lilac. Small leaved, small flowers. There is a video on how I propagated this right there. This cutting was taken this year. It's nice and well rooted. It has lots and lots of weeds, and I'll take the weeds out because this is also available. And maybe you'd like to win this tree. So that's the other thing that you need to do. In your comment, make it quite explicit to me whether you are after the lilac or the elm. That's basically it. I will give everybody until, what shall we say, last week of October to respond. If you are then subscribed and you've left a response that you would like to win one of these 2 trees, I will put your name on the list, and together with someone else we'll make the final selection. Then I'll be in touch. I will drop a comment below your name asking you to reach out to me and send me your address. That's it. This is also in an upcoming video, but I just don't know when I'm going to release it yet. I think I've done all the recordings, but I might pop through until next year. In the original video that I taped so far, I have repotted this, and it was a difficult one. I've worked on the deadwood, and it still looks natural, I think. And now I have new growth here in the canopy, which is now dark green, healthy. So yeah, this is another video upcoming. The repotting of an old Yamadori olive. This is it for this video. I'm going to leave you now with the thought of, would you like to win a lilac or an elm? And pop me a comment if you do. And with that, I'm going to say, see you next time. Thank you so much for subscribing. I never thought I would reach 40,000 viewers, even though I made a joke about it in an earlier video that by the end of this year, I would like to have 100,000 viewers. But hey, thank you so much. See you next time. This was Jelle, growing bonsai.